Yes, my people, it's snowing outside, but guess what? I've got work to do. I made a promise that today I'm going to continue doing some volunteer work to pack some food for Jamaica, and I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go clean off my car now, but I'm going to show you. Wanna look here. Yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. Take off from the top right, yes or no? And do what I have to do. I don't even have no gloves. I don't know my gloves. I have to go find my gloves. My people, this is it. It's called winter. Winter weather. Winter. But in all things I've learned to give thanks. Give thanks. So we're packing for the girls' home in Trelawney that was destroyed. We're packing some care packages for the women. These are all women items, so some supplies will go to them. And on the other side, we'll be packing also for the orphanage for baby supplies and stuff. So yeah, that's how we continue to show love and support to our fellow Jamaican citizens who have been affected by bad girl Melissa.
My people, even if it means sitting down on the ground, we are going to get the job done. Big up yourself, Sim. Big up yourself.
So now we have about 6 boxes already counted. Over 184 toothbrush, 75 toothpaste. You know how much, I can't keep all the numbers in my head, but if you see the boxes,
Plus the diapers.
plus the waters and the cases of water we have in lineup. So cases of 24 or the 40 pack. So it is getting ready to be packed to go to Atlas Cargo.
You see, my people, we don't waste no time. Yes,
We don't waste no time.
We don't waste no time. Come on, Simone over there. She had try pack every backpack in her box, you know. Simone, I sit on you sit down for it a while ago. You get it down? Watch it. Watch it. He might push it down so everything can hold in there. So guys, here we are. We did a lot today. We got so much done, and I'm so grateful for the team that I worked with today. We just had a strategy going, and we implemented that strategy, and we were able to get a lot of things done. You see, my grandmother always say, and this is just one room, you know, my people. My grandmother always say, enough hands make work light. I'm just proud of the people that we work with today.
So my people have just left 8th Rutherford Road South in Brampton, where the old fire station was at the corner of Rutherford and Queen. And we're back at it tomorrow. Today we did about 5 hours and we got a lot done. So if you're in the Brampton area and you want to volunteer, just come on down to 8th Rutherford Road South and give a helping hand. Remember, together we can. And we're going to be doing everything for Jamaica to help rebuild our lovely country. So my people, let me tell you, all hands on deck tomorrow 4 to 8. And we can do this. Remember me tell you, every mickle make a muckle. It no matter that snowfall. I don't like snow, you know. This is not my kind of weather, you know. But let me tell you something, my people. I'm not going to make no snowfall stop me, you know, from doing my little packing and volunteering for my little island of Jamaica. So, tomorrow, same time, same place. 8 Rutherford Road South. It was so good today. We had a great team and we just got a lot done. So grateful for the people that come out and, you know, give their time, you know, to do what we can for our little island of Jamaica. So now I'm going to focus on the road and reach home safely. As always, Mama Selva, bless upon yourself, my people.